Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. This video I will show you how to download the information on our Facebook accounts. In my previous tutorial we have seen how to download a copy of our page information created on Facebook. Suppose you want to download your entire Facebook accounts information to save it as a file in your local computer. Just to follow the steps showing in this tutorial. We can also download either a complete copy or we can select only the types of information we want and the customized information between specific date ranges. Log into the Facebook. To download a copy of entire Facebook account, click on the down arrow on top right next to notifications. From the drop down option, select settings and privacy and then click on settings. In the left column, choose your Facebook information. And in right panel, come to download your information section. We can download a copy of our information to keep or to transfer to another service. Click on view. Under your information, it will show different Facebook categories. To add or remove the categories of data from our request, check or uncheck the boxes on the right side of the Facebook categories. Here I want to uncheck likes and reactions, friends, stories, followers, marketplace, payment history, and so on. And also here we can select the option to this download request like specific date range of information. If we don't select a date range, we will get all the information for the categories we have selected. Next, to select the format of our download request, we can choose HTML format, that is easy to view, or a JSON format which could allow another service to easily import it, and select the quality of photos, videos and other media. After this, finally click on create file to confirm the download request. After we made the request, it will appear as pending in the available copies. Facebook will take some time to process our request. Once the Facebook finished preparing our download, they will send a notification to letting us it is ready to download in our local computer or anywhere we want. Approximately it took 50 minutes to process our request and for creating the file. This will depends on the data we selected and the date range we selected. To download the file, come to available copies, click on download next to the file, enter your password if it asks to continue and click on submit. I want to save this file, OK, and check the downloaded file. Here we got the file in compressed format. Let's extract this. And notice that our file contains more than one file depending on how much information our request contains. Like this, we can download the information of our Facebook account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITBot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.